How to turn on HDR effect on your REDnote app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by Net Nimble. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on HDR effect on your REDnote app. So let us dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your REDnote app. Make sure that you're logged into your account. And after you're there, simply head over to the Me section, that is your profile on the bottom right corner. After you're there, you will need to head over to your settings. To head over to your settings, you will find a gear icon right besides your edit profile option. Tap on the gear icon and you will be on the settings page. Now, before I teach you guys what to do next, if you're new to Net Nimble, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. So now what you will need to do is head over to your general settings. After you're on your general settings, you will find the function section. Under there, you will find the HDR effect. After you find the HDR effect, if you want to turn it on, simply toggle the button on and you're good to go. So yeah, that is basically how you turn on HDR effect on your REDnote app. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.